Okay, so we are at the Wilmette Park District, about to start the exercise in CO2 lab, and it's a little windy today. We have already accomplished the boiling of the water. So that water has already been pre-boiled in the flasks, and there is about 100 ml in each flask. They are the same. There's no difference in the water. And Alexander Crosby and his friend Frank are both going to exercise, although Xander's going to be the one who is going to be my data collector today. So I need to start by putting the phenylalanine into the flasks. And what the phenylalanine does is it acts as an indicator for the amount of carbon dioxide in solution. So on step 7, it tells you to add 5 drops of phenylalanine to each flask, which is what we're going to do right now. So this is phenylalanine, and we're going to add 5 drops to each flask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if you notice, they turn pink. That's because the water is slightly basic, which means it's above 7. So whatever the pH is, and we're not going to test the pH, but phenylalanine detects bases. In the presence of a base, it's pink, and in the presence of an acid, it's clear. And so since they already turned pink, we don't need to do anything to these flasks to begin our experiment. So I am going to put them in this container over here so that you can see the pink better, because it's against a white background. And I'm going to cover them with parafilm before we start, or at least one of them. And then after that, we can begin to collect our data. So we're about to start trial 1. Alexander has not exercised. This is his resting CO2. So his friend Frank is going to hit start on the timer now. Xander's going to blow slowly and evenly for 20 seconds. And Frank, when the timer goes off, Xander is going to stop blowing. Now you'll notice that the liquid went clear. Yep. And it went clear because Xander is blowing carbon dioxide into the solution. Stop.
It's gone.
Bring it over here.
Pink is gone.
Bring it over here.
Whoa.
Now, since there's carbon dioxide dissolved in the solution, this is now carbonic acid, and we have to figure out how much CO2 is in solution by putting sodium hydroxide into the flask, drop by drop, to bring it back to a pink color that's the same as our control flask, which is sitting in the basket. So we are going to add sodium hydroxide, which is here, drop by drop, until it returns back to being pink. So 1 drop, swirl. It did not stick, and I'm going to put it into the basket so you can see it a little bit better. Drop, swirl, drop, swirl. That's 4, I think. 5. You guys are gonna help me count, okay?
Yeah. Okay, you're on 3.
Nope, that was 6. 7. 8. Good job.
10.
Keep going. Is it staying pink yet?
11. Yeah, 11.
11.
12. It's starting to turn pink.
Yep.
13.
13.
It's getting pinker.
Yep.
14. Yep, getting pinker. 15. Jinx.
It's pretty close. Was that 15 drops?
Yep, I think, yeah.
Do they look the same pink to you?
Yeah, they look the same.
I might add 1 more drop. That's 16.
Jinx, buy me a Coke. Jinx, buy a Coke.
Hey. Okay, so what was that number?
16.
16 drops is our resting CO2 amount. So we're now about to start our first exercise trial of 1 minute of exercise. I'm not gonna make you guys watch them exercise for a full minute and the next trials as well, but I'm just gonna show you what we're about to do. So the boys are gonna start exercising by doing jumping jacks for 1 minute. Begin. And it's gonna count down for the full minute. Our minute is almost up. 5 seconds. 3, 2,
1.
Okay, stop, Xander. Come over here, quick. Put your glasses on. Come over here so I can film you. All right, blow into the flask for 20 seconds. Starting now. Go. Good job. Keep going. 10 seconds.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
All right, stop. So now we're about to titrate out 1 minute of exercise with our sodium hydroxide. So remember, we're counting drops. Boys, help me count. 1,
1, 2,
2, 3, 4.
4,
This is gonna be
5,
maybe a lot.
6.
Last one was 16.
The last one was 16.
17.
No, 7.
8.
8,
No.
9, 10,
10. 11.
12,
14.
13, 14, 15,
16. I'm gonna add a little bit more just to make it a little bit faster.
17.
18,
18. 19.
20. Ooh, pretty close. 21.
Getting closer.
Ooh, that looks pretty close to me.
Last one. Reach 2.
I'm gonna add one more. 22.
Yay. Now they look the same.
I think they look the same. So
no,
20,
that one's a little brighter.
22 drops.
Yep.
22 drops. So we, in our 1 minute of exercise, 22 drops of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so we're about to do 2 minutes of exercise. Ready? Begin. Try and do it even pace. Same effort as before. We just finished 2 minutes of jumping jacks. And Xander's gonna blow in the flask for 20 seconds. Stop. Science work.
You mean science burp?
I'm not a burp.
The bubble thing?
It's done.
Yep. All right, so let's take our straw out and let's count drops.
1.
1,
2.
2,
3.
3,
4.
4,
5.
5,
6.
6,
I'm gonna go 7, 8, 9, 10, just to speed things along a little bit. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
It's starting pink.
16, 17, 18, 19.
22.
Nope. Let's just count, guys. 20, 21, 22. Oops, and I totally dropped the thing.
I got it. Oh, there you go.
Thank you.
23.
23.
Pinker. 24.
24. Really close.
25.
Let's let it sit for just a second because sometimes the pink fades. That was 25, right?
Yep. They look the same to me.
And
You-
one's a little brighter. What?
They both look the same,
Not exactly.
but they do.
One's
All right.
brighter.
I'm gonna go one more in here and
20 what? I forget.
I think, was that 26?
I think, yeah.
Okay, so 26 drops.
Yep.
For, was that how many minutes of exercising? 2 minutes of
2, yeah.
exercising, right?
Yeah, the last one was
So we're about to do 3 minutes of exercise. Timer's here. Boys are ready?
Yep.
Begin.
2, 3,
And again, I'm not going to
6,
make you watch them do this for 3 minutes.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
So 30 more seconds of our 3-minute trial. $15 seconds left of our. Okay,
Oh,
come over here. Hold on. Xander, get the glasses on. 20 seconds.
all right.
Ready? Hold the flask. Come over here out of the sun. Okay. Blow. Eight. 5. Okay, stop. Good job.
I'll take your glasses
Putting
off.
the flask there. You can take the glasses off, just hold them.
Glasses.
It's fine.
Oh, man.
All right, so let's count drops. 1. I'm gonna add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, 7.
No, 6.
Let's just say 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Because in theory, this is going to be more than 26 drops because you exercised more
Yep.
and produced more carbon dioxide. What is this?
7.
No, 8,
8.
9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15.
Getting pink.
16, 17, 18.
You should get like a tornado.
19.
20.
Nope, that was just 19.
No, you get the second one. It's hot. Do the same.
From my angle, this still looks a little bit less. So 21, I think.
Yep, 21.
You look the same.
just being patient because sometimes the color fades over time. So we dipped down a little bit this time.
Yep.
It's possible the amount that you have to be real consistent with breathing into the flask, and that can change a variable.
Maybe even this one.
Yep, but we're gonna do your next trial, which is 4 minutes.
For blowing? Or for doing exercise?
Exercise.
Oh. I blow for 20 seconds.
So we'll say 21 drops. We took a dip there.
Yep.
And now we're about to do 4 minutes of exercise.
Yeah. Pink.
So we're about to start our 4-minute trial. And I told Alexander that what I think is going on is he was not as aggressive with his exercising for the full 3 minutes, which is why we had a dip. So I gave him the make sure that you are exercising as hard as you can for the full 4 minutes.
Got it.
This is going to be interesting.
Yeah.
Begin. Again, I'm not going to film it for the full 4 minutes. But see, last time he stopped moving his feet at around minute 2. So I'm going to make sure that he's exercising for the full 4 minutes.
Yeah, move those feet.
30 seconds. 26 seconds left in our 4-minute trial. The boys are tired and I told them they have to keep exercising because if you take a break, it messes up your data. You have to have consistent exercising for the full time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come over here. Come over here quick. Let's blow into this flask. Don't rest. Blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow. Blow, blow, blow.
Pink
job.
done.
Pink gone. Okay, so that was 4 minutes.
So.
Let's count drops.
No.
Didn't know what you got yourself into today, did you, Xander? One. Okay, you can take that off. Let's do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna count because
4 too exhausted.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So this is the number of drops that we were at, but we're still not as pink. 26, 27, 28.
Starting to get pink?
Yep. It's trying to. It's like when you shake it to a tornado.
28, 29, 30,
Pinker.
31, 32, 'Almost. One more. 33. Oop, my phone. That's 33.
Pink, I guess.
They look the same.
Yep.
So we'll say 33 drops for 4 minutes of exercise.